Hello everyone, welcome to Yellowgreys YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about dispatcher solution design document. So which means dispatcher SDD. So already we are now uploading videos on daily basis and both English and Tamil version. And if you look at this playlist, so already we have seen ReFrameWork introduction and PDD discussion, and we had a live process walkthrough, and also we seen the queue concept in detail. So now we are going to see the dispatcher solution design document, what is dispatcher bot, and then upcoming videos will be the performer solution design document. This is the process map we covered in the second video, and this is the entire process story. Now you are clear about what is the entire process. And so in this session we are going to split this entire process into two parts. One is as a dispatcher, the other one is a performer. Okay, assume that the dispatcher bot is always pushing the transaction to the queue item. What is queue and what is the benefit of queues and everything I have explained in the previous video, and you can refer that as well. And so this process you can understand easily and watching that second video. So now I am going to split this the entire process into two parts. One is dispatcher and the other one is a performer. And so think that dispatcher is always pushing that transaction item into UiPath queue, and the performer bot it's going to pick the transaction item from the queue. And here what is transactions? Okay, and what is transaction in the sense list of item to be processed. So here as per our process story, we are going to log in ACME, and then we are clicking on work items, then we are fetching that work items. Then after getting the get client information, client ID and client country, we are processing further. Okay, so in this part, so this login, this work item part, and checking that work item based on our category, we started processing from here. From here to here, we are converting this process into dispatcher, and from here to here, till that end, we are going to convert it as a performer bot. Okay, let's see the solution design document, how we are going to design the solution to the dispatcher bot. Based on that only, we are going to develop the process through UiPath Studio. Okay, so this is the SDD solution design document for a dispatcher bot. It's very simple one, and once you start the bot, and you need to your bot needs to click on login ACME, then it needs to go to work item, then it needs to get all work items, then all work item in the sense it needs to get the work item 5 details, and then the bot needs to move all the work item 5 details into UiPath queue. Then the bot needs to log out ACM, then the process ends. So this is how we are going to design the bot. And here there was one challenge in here, and how we are going to push that only the work item 5 into UiPath queue. Stay tuned, and then the next video we are going to cover the same SDD and SDD for performer bot. Then we will get start development. Thank you for watching. Connect with us for more tutorials.